Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm going to go over our brand new battery operated Tire Shine Applicator Tank. The updated version of our Tire Shine Applicator Tank features everything you loved in the original version, but now with the ease of battery assistance. Since the tank is battery operated, this means the tank will always be pressurized with the perfect amount of air for proper application. The battery comes with a standard 110 volt wall charger, but the tank also features a hand pump in case the battery ever dies, so you can always pressurize the tank. This precision applicator will save you both time and money when dressing your next set of tires. Let's head on over to the vehicle and show you how to dress tires with this applicator. Lightly squeezing the trigger will prompt the battery pack to pull your dressing through the flat fan spraying nozzle and evenly saturate the bristles of the brush. Once your applicator is saturated, swish the brush around the tire and evenly distribute your dressing. We recommend using Detail King's Super Blue, Blackout, or non-silicone dressing. Be aware, however, that this dressing applicator item is not compatible with thicker dressings like our Laguna Beach tire dressing. This automated application is consistent and efficient with dispensing only what is needed, avoiding wasted product common with conventional squirt bottle sprayers. Applicator tanks like these not only make tire dressing more efficient, but also give you more control in keeping your product contained within your work area and the saturated bristles. This tank will allow you to use 80% less dressing, consistently giving you a professionally dressed tire and will quickly pay for itself. Okay guys, so that's an overview of our all-new battery-operated Tire Shine Applicator Tank. For any of the products you saw used in today's video, they'll be linked in the description below. Make sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on everything Detail King. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget, for anything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King, visit us right here at DetailKing.com. See you guys next time.